Goa Forward Party MLA Vijay Sardesai said that he was against 18% GST imposed on theatres by his own government. But he said that he would take up the matter only if representatives of the theatrists approached him on the issue.
Goa Forward Party Minister Vijay Sardesai on Tuesday said that the theatres and natak are the essence of Goa and there should be no compromise on censorship on them. However, he said that till now nobody from the theatre fraternity had come to him to protest this decision or had even approached any authority. He said that he would take up the issue and a solution could be found out if the fraternity approaches him.
No way that we will do any sort of censorship of theatre. हें जावंक जायना. आमी लिबरल गोंयकारपणाचो भाग जाता. आमी तियात्र म्हणटा तें आमचें कल्चर म्हणून हें फुडें व्हरपाक आमी पयले आसतले. पुणून तियात्रिस्टांनी रिप्रेझेंट करचें पडटलें की बाबा आमकां हें जाता. आतां ऑफ हँड जर आमी GST वाचलां ताचेर अशें दिसता की 20 लाख रुपया टर्न ओवर ह्याचो चड आहा तोच GST ब्रॅकेटान येतलो. 20 लाखा परस कमी जो आहा तो GST ब्रॅकेटान येना. So we are willing to take up the case of theirs, but they will have to represent. कोणे तरी हाजेर अभ्यास करून सरकारा कडेन रिप्रेझेंट करचें पडटलें. We will take up further. I will see that Chief Minister represents this case to the GST Council.
A reporter Ramesh Naik Raut in Margao.